Your boy back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the stochastic indicator. Before we get into this video, make sure to comment down below, subscribe and like this video because that helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And when you subscribe to my channel, please write in the comment section I subscribe and I will personally reply to your comment. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now that we're tuned in, right, the first thing I want to show you guys is I want to read out to you guys what the stochastic indicator is before I show you guys how to use it, right? So let me show you guys. Come on. Okay guys, now what is the stochastic indicator? The stochastic indicator is a momentum indicator developed by George C. Lane in the 1950s, which shows the position of the most recent closing price relative to the previous high or low range. The indicator measures momentum by comparing the closing price with the previous trading range over a specific period of time. The stochastic indicator does not follow the price or volume of the underlying currency pair, but the speed and momentum of the price. This means that the stochastic indicator changes direction before the price itself and can thus be considered a leading indicator. The most important signals that Lane identified are the bullish and bearish divergence that form on the stochastic indicator, which can anticipate upcoming price reversals. However, as the stochastic indicator oscillates within a range, it can also be used to identify overbought and oversold price levels. Although the stochastic indicator can be used in any financial market, it is especially popular amongst forex traders. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this indicator, right? Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is when you're using the stochastic indicator, I'm just going to delete this stuff, right? Okay, let me just go here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the F, right? As you can see, we're currently on the 1 hour time frame. Check this out. The F at the top right hand corner, you must click on it, right? And then you need to go and check out stochastic oscillator, right? And when you're done with that, you don't change the settings and stuff like that because it's already done for you. That's how I use it, right? So as you can see now, the price is actually showing us where price moves, reverse, and price pulls back and stuff like that. And the indicator is doing that as well. So let me show you guys something. How I use the strategy is actually very easy. The things you need is support and resistance and trend lines. So if you guys don't know how to use support and resistance, you can just go and click my previous video where I teach you guys how to use the support and resistance. So let me show you guys. Right, so let me just delete this trend line, right? So sometimes when I don't use support and resistance, the first thing I use is the trend line. So let me just show you guys. Check this out. I'm just gonna draw a random trend line, right? Alright guys, check this out. As you can see, the market was currently trending, an uptrend, right? And then the market decided to do this. I know the trend line is not perfect, right? But you guys can see that's the only thing that matters. Alright, let me just show you guys. Okay, let's go back. Okay, now my trend line is not perfect, but I need to get it perfect, right? Wait a minute. Alright, now I'm just gonna leave it like that, but I'm gonna show you guys how to draw a trend line properly in this video as well. Alright guys, as you can see, check this out. Let me just show you something, guys. As you can see about the first steps, right? Please watch this video until the end because you need to find out how to use it with support and resistance as well. Okay, check this out. Look at that. The market was moving over here, right? Check that out. Then let's go to the side. You can see the market actually gave us a big wick on this candle, a rejection candle over here. And if you look at this over here, you can see when the market touched this trend line for the second time, you can see the crossover as well. Just look straight up. You see the crossover, so it indicates that it's a sell again. Now check this out again. Let me just show you the last one. All right. Look at that, guys. The market gave us two rejection candles, played around. The stochastic crossed over here, the red line, crossed the green line, and then went down. So it's super simple to use this, right? But the only thing you have to do is you need to use proper risk management, because this strategy is not 100% accurate. So guys, I don't want to waste your time, right? Because I'm going to show you guys how to use the support and resistance, right? So the first thing you do is you draw your support and resistance. And if you don't know how to draw support and resistance, go and check out the previous video, all right? I'll show you guys this. It's super simple, right? Check this out. If this was a support, right, let me just do this perfectly. If this was a support level, check this out. This is at a support level, right? So when you're using this strategy, you need to wait for the market to go to a support level, and when the price crosses over, then you need to use this. But if the market is like this, check this out, in place like this, don't take trades. But when the market is at a resistance level or support level, you need to watch for the crossover, wait for the crossover, right, and then take the trade. Check this out. The market was at a resistance level, as you can see the red line over here. This was the red line, okay, and now you can see the crossover as well. So it means, basically it means it's a sell, right? But let me tell you guys, no strategy is 100%, so you need to go and practice this, right? Okay, let me show you guys again. Right, the market was at a support. As you can see over here, the market was at a support level, but it was playing around, so you wasn't supposed to take this and to right over here. So check this out, at a support level, but look what it's doing. It crossed over here, so you could have taken buys. And let me show you guys again. Look at this. Again, right? Another sell. Sells. Your stop loss could just be over here. Okay, you could have taken a lot of sells. So it's super simple to use this strategy, right? But let me tell you guys, it's not 100% accurate. So you need to wait for proper confirmations. And if you are scared to use the strategy alone, the only thing you can do is, check this out. Let me just show you. When using support and resistance, you can just draw a trend line as extra confirmation, right? Check this out. You can actually see over here, check, look at the breakout of structure. Before the breakout happens, right, you can actually see the market already crossed over. So now the only thing you had to wait for was the breakout. So this was your entry point over here. Your stop loss could have been over here, right? So it's super simple, TP hit, just like that. So the only thing you have to do is go and practice this and master it on the demo account before going to a real account, because it's super easy, guys. Super easy. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. I don't want to waste any of your time. I just want to teach you guys a strategy. And if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. Okay, thank you.